Every morning, millions wake up to an alarm they resent, rushing to jobs they don't love, to pay for things they don't need. This is the rat race, and if you don't plan your escape, it becomes your life. You're not stuck because you're incapable. You're stuck because the system rewards comfort and punishes freedom. But here's the truth. Your time is not money. Your time is your life. The cycle is engineered to keep you working. Earn more, spend more, stay broke, break the loop. How? Step 1. Spend less than you make. Save aggressively, not to hoard, but to buy your freedom. Step 2. Invest in assets, stocks, real estate, online income streams. Let your money work. Step 3. Build high-value skills, not just degrees, skills that earn even when you sleep. Use your free time to build leverage. Learn, launch, fail fast, try again. No one's coming to rescue you, but you can build your way out. The rat race ends the moment you stop playing by its rules. You don't need millions. You need time, freedom, and purpose. And you earn those by trading consumption for creation, distraction for discipline. You don't escape the rat race by running faster. You escape by building the exit.